The other day, I was talking on the phone in my office. I looked outside my window and saw one of our students pick up a piece of paper and throw it in the trash can. Immediately, I told the person on the phone, "You gotta hold on." I ran out of the door and went down the steps, and I wanted to thank that student. I finally caught up with her and I said, "Listen, you're amazing. You're extraordinary. I just watched you from my office pick up a piece of trash that you did not throw on the ground, and you put it in the garbage can. Young lady, you have a bright future." Do you know why I told her that? Because for me, that piece of paper represents what I tell everyone, including the captains of industry I talk to worldwide. Big things consist of many little things, and you have to achieve the little things first. When you do that, you propel yourself from mediocrity to excellence. You can make an impact with 1 degree. 1 degree, let me explain. I boil water every morning to drink my Turkish coffee. I do that when I start my day at 3 o'clock in the morning with reading, reflection, prayer. Water boils at 211 degrees, but it turns into steam at 212 degrees. Just 1 degree difference. It's that difference of 1 degree that matters. With boiled water, you can make a good cup of Turkish coffee. But with steam, my friend, with steam, you can run a locomotive. Imagine that. That extra 1 degree seems like such a small thing, but it can produce enormous benefits. Booker T. Washington once said, "Success in life is founded upon attention to the small things rather than to the large things, to the everyday things that nearest to us rather than to the things that are remote and uncommon." So what small thing will you do today to produce that extra 1 degree? Say good morning to a stranger, a sister colleague at work. Reach out to a family member you haven't talked to in a while. Think about the benefits of all that, like boiled water that turns into steam. What you and I can do can have a big impact on how people see us and how we see the world. That student picking up that piece of paper, piece of garbage that was not hers, and putting it in the garbage can, spoke bundles about her, but her character, her focus, her commitment, her can-do attitude. What little things do you and I do every day that speak to those elements in our life? Have a great week.